What's up everyone, today we're going to show you how to make a healthier version of chocolate. Let's go. Alright, to start off, in a bowl we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Now because we're not going to be adding in sugar, we're going to add in a few tablespoons of honey. You can change this depending on how sweet you want your chocolate to be. And we're going to give it a mix. Now we have our silicone mold right here. Let's fill it up with our mixture. Now we know that this recipe yields exactly 1 bar of chocolate. Let's put this in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Make sure to subscribe to help us hit our summer goal of 500 subscribers. Alright, let's give our chocolate a try. Wow, that is quite good. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.